Hello, Anyan.
Hello, teacher.
You called me so early tonight.
Yeah.
I cannot answer your call because I'm still at my other class. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, can you speak again, Anyan? Because my headset is not working on the left side.
Yeah.
Oh, good evening, Anyan.
Good evening, teacher.
Again, good evening, Anyan.
Evening, teacher.
Okay, it's working now. Okay, so Anyan, how are you today?
I'm fine. You?
I'm fine too, Anyan.
Yeah.
All right, well, you know what? Teacher was absent on Monday because here in our city or in our place, the internet connection is gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I wasn't able to have class at your time, but earlier on your time, I finished 3 classes already. Okay,
Yeah.
so anyway, Anyan, I think I will give you an makeup class. Okay, I will schedule for your makeup class, I think this Saturday or Sunday, okay?
Yeah.
I will fix first my schedule and then I will give you a makeup class. So, makeup class, I give makeup class on morning. Are you available on morning on Saturday or Sunday?
Mm.
In the morning of Saturday or Sunday.
Saturday.
Saturday or Sunday.
Saturday.
Okay, you're free on Saturday morning.
Yeah.
Okay. So, maybe tomorrow I will message your dad about your makeup class, okay?
Yeah.
Because teacher has to fix my schedule first because yesterday I am not able to have my class the whole night because my computer got wet because of the storm here in the Philippines. The rain entered our window and
Yeah.
then my computer got wet.
Yeah.
So anyway, Anyan, all right, now let's begin our activity. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. All right, Anyan, so tonight we're having speaking activity. So all you have to do is to speak, speak, speak. Okay? Okay, now Annie, and you can see here 2 pictures, right? Picture 1 and picture 2. Now I want you to tell me the differences that you can see with the 2 pictures.
Yeah.
Okay, what can you say?
Picture 1. And see. Car. On the bed. Picture 2, I see the car under the bed. Picture 1, I see 2 chairs. Picture 2, I see 1 chair. Picture 1, I see a yellow king, a yellow.
What else?
Mm,
What else can you see?
mm. Picture 1, I see the 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 woman. And
Oh,
she
what about the woman? Oh, what about the woman?
She wearing a shirt and shoe.
Oh, what else? What else? Or what differences can you still see? Or maybe you can encircle it. Do you know how to put a circle so that we can explain it in a better way? Okay?
Yeah.
Or you encircle your answers. Okay, that's correct. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, now explain it. So number one, what's your number one answer? There is. So the car is on the bed while the other car is under the bed. Okay, that's
Yeah.
correct. Next one, the blanket is yellow while the other one is blue.
Yeah.
Correct. Number three, the patient or the girl is sitting down and drinking juice, while on the other picture, the girl is sleeping. Next one, there is a mom or the mother, and on the other picture, there is dad. And last one, there are two chairs on the first picture, while on the other one, there's only one chair.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if you got the correct answers. Anian, the blanket is yellow, but the blanket is blue. Correct. One or two chairs. Car is on the bed and under the bed. Mother, father, and drinking and not drinking. Okay, now, Anian, very good because you got, okay, let's put a check. All right, so you got the perfect score in this part. Okay, now, Anian, I want you to answer or try to answer in complete sentence, okay? So don't worry when if your sentence is wrong, okay? Because teacher will correct it. Okay, I want you to answer in longer sentence. Number one, what is your favorite food?
Pizza.
Oh, you start. You start first with my favorite food.
My favorite food is pizza.
Is pizza. Wow. What flavor of pizza do you like?
And
What flavor of pizza do you like?
pizza.
What kind of pizza?
Eat pizza.
Meat pizza.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so delicious. Okay, now, Anyan, what do you eat for breakfast?
Eat bread and milk.
Bread
Milk.
and milk. Bread and milk? Is that right? Is that right, Anyan? Bread and milk? Hello, Anyan, are you still there? What happened, Anyan?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, let's continue now. So again, Anyan, what do you eat for breakfast?
And bread and milk.
Bread and milk. So how about when you go to school, Anyan? What do you eat for breakfast?
And egg.
It's egg. Egg?
And
Okay.
sandwich.
Egg and sandwich.
Yeah.
Okay, wow, very good. Now, Anyan, when on Mondays to Fridays, where do you eat your lunch? Where do you eat your lunch? Do you eat in your lunch at home or do you eat your lunch at school?
I ate my lunch in school.
In school. Okay,
Yeah.
now Anyan. So when you eat your lunch at school, do you have your lunch already in your bag or do you still buy your food in the canteen?
Canteen.
Okay, so you still buy your food from the canteen?
Yeah.
Okay. So next one, Anyan. Tell me about your favorite drink. What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is milk tea.
Milk tea. Wow. But teacher doesn't drink milk tea. Is that delicious, Anyan?
Yeah.
Okay, now what flavor of milk tea is your favorite?
It's chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Chocolate milk tea.
Yeah.
Okay, is that delicious?
Yeah.
Where do you buy your milk tea?
Tiếp Hương Milk Tea.
What's the name?
Tiếp Hương Milk Tea.
Okay, so where is that? Is that near your house?
Near my school.
Near your school.
Yeah.
Okay, so when do you drink milk tea? Do you drink milk tea every day?
No, sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay, because drinking too much milk tea is also bad for your health. Okay, so you just drink it in not every day. Okay, but sometimes only.
Yeah.
Okay, now Anyan, what kind of foods do you see in the picture?
I see a burger. I see a sandwich.
What's that,
I
Anyan?
see Hot dog.
Okay, hot dog. What else is that? Hot dog sandwich. What else?
Juice.
Juice or soda, right? Okay, and what else?
I don't know.
Okay, wait. Okay, here, Annie. What do you call this one? This one, Annie, what's this?
A burger.
Burger. How about this one?
I don't know.
What's this?
I don't know.
Oh, how do you call this one in Vietnam? How do you call that in Vietnam? Because in English, we call it... So in English, we call it... Can you read it? Fries. Okay, very good. So, Anyan, do you eat this kind of food? Huh? Do you eat this kind of food? Fries, soda, hot dog sandwich, and hamburger?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. All right, so Anyan, look at the picture, okay? Where do you have lunch? So can you explain me what is on the first picture?
Picture 2.
Yeah, picture 1. So the girl is eating her lunch, right? The girl is eating her lunch. So where does he eat her lunch?
At her home.
Very good. She eats her lunch at home. How about the kids on the second picture? Where do they eat their lunch?
They eat at school.
Yes, they eat their lunch at school. Very good. Okay, now, Annie, what do you call the food or drinks on the first picture? This one, what do you call this one?
Drinking.
Yeah, that is a kind of drink. Here, what do you call this first picture?
Milk.
Milk, very good. This one?
Milkshake.
Milkshake, very good. Next one?
Yogurt.
Yogurt, very good. Okay, how about this one, Annie? What do you call this one?
Rice.
Rice, very good. This one?
Omelette.
Again?
Omelette.
Omelette, okay, or egg.
Yeah.
This one?
Donut.
Donut. Do you eat donuts, Annie?
Yeah.
Very good. I like eating donuts too. How about this one?
Chicken.
Okay, this is a fried chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, so now, Anya, let's have this picture. So you can see here 4 different pictures, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now, Anya, I want you to tell a story using these 4 pictures. Okay, you're going to make a story about the 4 pictures that you can see on the screen. So first one, tell me a story about the first picture.
One day, Tom family. One day, one day, Darcy family go picnic.
Okay. They go picnic. Next one.
The boy and his sister is fishing.
They went fishing. Okay, what else?
The boy fishing
The boy is fishing.
a bull.
Okay, what else?
In a pool.
Oh, now what happened to the boy who's fishing?
Is a boy.
What happened to the boy who's fishing?
It's bull.
Okay, so he caught a fish, and then when picture number 4, and then he poured his shoe. Now, what did he see inside his shoe?
Tie the shoe.
What did he see inside his shoe?
Yeah.
What did he see?
You see 2 fish.
Very good. He saw 2 fishes. Okay, very good, Anya. Now, this is an example of the story, okay? So here, can you read it, Anya?
The family is by the river. Mother and father are cooking, and the children are fishing. They want a fish for lunch.
Okay, very good. They want a fish for lunch. All right, wait a minute, Anyan. All right, so let's continue, Anyan.
Yeah.
All right, wait for me. All right, so here, Anyan, you can see here some pictures on the screen, right? Now, Anyan, tell me which one is different. So let's start with the first row. Which of these pictures is different?
Picture 1 is cake.
No. Picture 1, which here is different? In the first row. Which one is different on the first line, Anyan, again?
With cake.
Okay, a cake. Can you say cake, Anyan?
Cake.
Good, cake. Why is cake your answer?
Because banana, pineapple, or green is fruit.
Okay, very good. The cake is different because banana, pineapple, and orange is a fruit. Next one, Anyan.
Monkey.
Monkey? Again, Anyan, can you say it?
A monkey.
Monkey? All right, now why is monkey your answer?
Because monkey do not fly.
Very good, because monkey do not fly, while helicopter and bird and an airplane can fly. Very good, Anian. How about the third one? Which one is different here?
A Cupboard.
Cupboard. Very good. Why cupboard?
Because chair, sofa.
Chair, sofa, and armchair.
Armchair.
Is what?
Chair.
Okay. Because cupboard is different from the three pictures because a chair, a sofa, and an armchair, you can sit on it, right? While on the cupboard, you cannot sit on it. Last one, Anien. Which one is different?
Picture.
Picture 2. Picture 2?
Yeah.
Oh, that is wrong. You change your answer. That is wrong. Oh, you change it.
Picture 4.
No. That's also wrong. Oh, one more chance. You look at the picture very carefully so that you can see the correct answer. Which one here is different?
I don't know.
One last chance. You guess which one is the answer. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture 4?
Picture 3.
Yes, correct. Picture 3. Very good. Why picture 3, Anien?
I don't know.
Because picture 1, picture 2, and picture 4, the kids are playing. While picture 3, the kids are writing or studying. Very good, Anien. Good job. All right. So we're finished with the first part. Okay, now teacher will open one more. So wait for me. Wait for me.
Okay.
All right, so now let's continue, Anya. Can you see it?
Yeah.
All right, Anya, so tonight, our second lesson will be my favorite, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so the first part, Anya, is lesson 4, my favorite fruit.
Yeah.
Okay, it says here, warm up. Choose and write the words and complete the story. Okay, now, Anya, I want you to read the story and fill in the blanks with the correct answers, okay? You're going to choose your answers here. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's begin. Can you read it now, Anyan?
Watermelons are my favorite fruit.
Mm-hmm.
They are big and round.
Mm-hmm.
They are green outside. They are red.
They are green outside.
They are hurt.
They feel hard. Okay, continue.
They have dark green
Stripes. Stripes. Okay.
Watermelons are red and blue. Inside, they are juicy and sweet.
Okay, correct.
They have small black seeds.
They have
Small black seeds.
hard. Anyway, that's correct. They have small black seeds. Okay, next one.
Watermelons are good in the sun.
Okay, very good. So you've got 3 points in this activity. All right, so now, Anyan, tell me if your answer is true or false. Okay, number 1. Watermelons have stripes.
Yes, true.
Watermelons feel soft outside. Watermelons are juicy.
True.
True, very good. All right, next one, Anyan. All right, so this is a word practice, okay? Now, Anyan, can you tell me what kind of fruits can you see on the screen?
Peach.
Mm-hmm.
Orange. Lemon.
Okay, so first one is a peach. So what is the taste of a peach, Anyan? Is it sour? Is it sweet? Or is it bitter? What does it taste?
It's very sweet.
Very sweet. How about the orange? Is it hard or soft?
It's soft.
Very good. How about a lemon? Is it sweet or sour or bitter?
It's bitter.
It's bitter?
No.
What?
No.
What? So have you tasted a lemonade, Anyan? Do you know what is a lemonade?
Yeah.
Oh, so a lemonade is made up of lemon. So sometimes a lemon is sweet and sometimes it's sour. Okay, so it depends on the fruit. Okay, next one, Anyan. What fruits can you see?
I see strawberry. I see grapes. I see banana.
Okay, very good. So which one of these 3 fruits would you like the best?
Grapes.
Grapes. Okay, me, I like the banana. Okay, next one, Anyan. So here, it says here, choose and write the name of the fruit. All right, so number 1, Anyan, what kind of fruit is this?
It's grapes.
Grapes. Can you say it? Grapes.
Grapes.
Very good. Number 2?
It's peach.
Peach. Very good. Number 3?
It's lemon.
Lemon. 4?
It's strawberry.
Strawberry. 5?
It's banana.
Okay, very good. And last one, number 6?
It's orange.
Very good. It's an orange. All right, wait. Okay, next one, Anyan. Read the words that you can see on the screen. Okay, now what is the first one?
Seat.
Next.
Eat round.
Next.
Eat oven.
Okay, very good. Next one, Anyan.
Eat long. Eat purple. Eat south.
Okay, now Anyan, give me an example of an object that is long.
That is long.
Or give me an example. Okay, give me an object that is long.
That is long.
What is an object that is long? Can you give me an example? A long object. So example is a belt. Do you know what is a belt?
Yeah.
Okay, so a belt is an example of a long object. One more, Anyan. Give me an example. One more.
Hair.
Hair. Very good. Okay, now, how about a sour fruit? Give me an example of a sour fruit.
Lemon.
Lemon, of course. Okay, now, Anyan, read the words again.
Street.
That is fuzzy. Fuzzy.
Fuzzy. So.
Okay, now, Anyan, give me an example of a soft object. Give me.
Ice cream.
Okay, aside from ice cream, what else?
Watermelon.
Okay, watermelon, it's soft also. Okay, so another example is a cotton, right? So a cotton is also soft. All right, so now, Anyan, choose and complete the sentence. So you're going to choose your answers from the color red words on the top, okay? All right, so number 1, Anyan, read and answer.
Strawberries have small seeds outside.
Strawberries have small
seeds
outside. Very good. Number 2.
Grapes are small and sweet.
Grapes are small and round. Okay, they are
purple.
They are purple. Very good. Number 3.
Orange
Oranges are achoo. Oranges are maybe you can change your answer. Oranges are
over.
Maybe you can repeat the words.
Over.
Are you sure? Oh, they are round. Oranges are round. Okay, next one. They taste. How do they taste? Sweet. Very good. Next one, number 4.
Banana is
A banana is
long.
long. And yellow, it tastes.
It is soft.
Again, what's the taste of the banana?
It's soft.
No. The taste. The taste. Is it sour? Is it sweet? Oh, what's the taste of the banana? Is it sour or sweet?
It's sweet.
Sweet. Okay, very good. Number 5.
A lemon tastes sour.
A lemon tastes sour. It is.
It is soft.
Give me the shape. Give me the shape of the lemon.
It is round.
Again. What's the shape of a lemon?
It oval.
Okay, very good. Number 6, last one.
The peach feels
A peach feels. So what is the skin of the peach? How does? Okay, you say it as fuzzy. Can you say it? Fuzzy.
fuzzy.
Okay, very good. It tastes
It tastes sweet.
sweet. Very good. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, good job, Annie. Because in this activity, you got 9 points.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, anyway, Annie, let's continue again our lesson on Friday. Okay? All right, because we have no time, not enough time for tonight. Okay? Let's continue this one. And okay, I will just message your dad about your makeup class. Okay? So I will. So you want Saturday morning, okay? You want on a Saturday morning?
Yeah.
All right. So anyway, Annie, so see you again tomorrow on Friday night and on Saturday morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Teacher.
Good night, Annie.
Good night, teacher. See you again.
See you again. Good night.
Good night.